hair dough.
The what?
Got hair dough.
Really
Yep, there's no hope for it. I gotta fix it. Good morning, M.N.M. Good morning, honey. Do you not see this? Like, I had like a weird strand.
Oh, yeah, you.
Get it, Papa Tubbs!
You're looking.
Get it, Papa Tubbs! Come here. Come here, Tubbs. Come here. Papa Tubbs. I'm gonna get it. You're so cute. Mine. Get puppets. Come here, baby. Tubby. Are you being a happy puppy this morning? I think you are. So what's our dilemma this morning, honey?
Lack of coffee.
Oh my god, we need coffee. Our coffee maker officially crapped out on us. Like, for Christmas, I bought him a coffee maker. A really, really crappy coffee maker. I should have returned it, but we didn't have any money to get a new coffee maker. Except for, I just got some of my tax return stuff back. So, I got just enough back from the state of Kansas to where I'm going to use that money and go and get some fucking coffee. I mean, coffee doesn't seem...
Coffee, too.
Yeah.
Like it's small.
No, you have one in the pantry.
Really?
Yes.
I did not know that.
Coffee maker to us, like a coffee maker to us, is a very important thing. Because he gets grumpy if he doesn't get any of his coffee. He gets really grumpy. And I at least need a cup to wake this face up. Hi, Mr. Grumpy.
It's bad. I look, normally, this is me without coffee.
No, he's a grumpy panda until he gets coffee. I'm just glad he's drinking his Java Monster, even though he's not supposed to be drinking them. I'm glad he's drinking that because he would be super cranky.
Damn. Just let it happen.
No. Coffee maker dilemma, go. Coffee maker, coffee maker, coffee maker. Which one should I choose? Hey guys, I'm at Target. I don't know which one I should choose. I think it was this one that Michael wanted. Hum. Hum-de-dum-dum-dum. Because this is kind of the one that we have now. I think he wanted this one. I'm going to get this one. What do you guys think? Good idea?
And somebody comes and
Michael's streaming.
Say, fuck the game, I'm just gonna get the groove on, you know what I mean?
Hey, Mr. Streaming Man.
Stella got her groove back. Dark got his groove back. Hell yeah. Dark, am I playing PS3 Saturday or Sunday or both days? Mullins bought the stream. Hardline. We're getting up here about 20
Puppy Toes.
About 15 minutes, and we're going to work for the GameStop and go buy the game.
Hi,
We're ready to go
Puppy
first thing in the morning.
Oh, you're so cute.
Battlefield Hardline. We're going to play that.
Sweet little boy. Sweet little boy. Sweet little boy. Aw, thank you.
I'll play some scary games.
I love my puppy.
We may dust
Too
off
cute.
PS3 and play some Black Ops 2 Zombies just for shits and giggles. See
Hey.
what's just says dismay.
I got a question for you.
I have an answer for you.
How do you like your coffee?
I love it. Thank you. Go
Yeah.
show them off the coffee maker.
So we got the coffee, and I did not get the one that I showed you guys earlier at the store, but we got this one. So I spent an extra like $10 more on it because it was on sale. It was a pretty good sale too. So, but I got this. It's a Keurig part and then a coffee maker part. The Keurig part's more for me, and then I got some Keurig hot cocos because I like hot cocoa on a nice cold spring rainy day. Just a nice cup of hot cocoa would be amazing.
So how many games? You still playing?
And Michael's for me, of course. Well, hello, psycho doggy. What you doing? What you doing? Cookie. So he has a toy in his mouth. And then he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other toys out of his toy box. Sorry guys, I just kind of like woke up. I'll probably be going back to bed. It's only 6 o'clock and I don't have to be at work until 11, but I haven't been sleeping much, so I woke up because he needed to go to the bathroom, and I gotta upload the vlog and stuff, and if I decide to go back to bed, I'm afraid that I'm not gonna get the vlog up in time, so I haven't been sleeping really good at all, so I gotta be at work tonight. Meh.
Plot twist, no, I
Hey,
didn't.
Ryan.
Whoa.
So I'm gonna say
Whoa.
peace out.
Hello. Deuces. Dookie.
You guys.
Sorry.
Later,
Rip.
Michael's vlogging right now, so
Yeah, I'm like,
end
whoa,
the
wait
vlog.
for me! Stop the car! Where are you going? Get back! You're-
Peace out.
Get back here! Oh my god, I'm dead.
Anyhow.
Jesus
Yay.
Christ. Hey, what's going on? Dry hard night,
But yeah, we'll definitely talk to you.
I'm trying to
later.
spawn you.
I appreciate everything
I'd
you do
love-
for us. I just woke up, so I'm like in one of those like weird, happy, good
Boy, go.
morning moods. So,
oh my god. What
yep.
the fuck, bro?
Battlefield.
GG.
Click that blue box for it.
Oh my god, blue box, yesterday's vlog, go!
That green box.
Shrek, tomorrow's vlog.
We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Obviously, you can tell Michael's a little busy.
I'm busy. Rip, dying.
Oh, God. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.